Hello my friends! In today's recording I will talk about life in Warsaw, Poland from an introvert's perspective, which means from my perspective. So, what is life like in Warsaw? I think this is a very individual matter because each of us is a different person and has different needs, different interests. However, what is important is the fact that in general, despite about 2 million inhabitants, it is rather peaceful here. You can get almost anywhere, unless we are talking about better restaurants or artistic events, concerts. But generally there are no big crowds, there is also no big mess. As an introvert, I value peace, order. I also like the speed and efficiency of action, movement. So I live in the city center by my choice and it suits me. I have everything I need every day within reach. Contrary to appearances, there is no noise here. There are also no crowds of people who would disturb my comfort. And you have to know that I pay great attention to this. I usually eat at work, so after work, when I am tired, I just grab a coffee, which helps me keep going. There are plenty of cafes here where you can take a coffee to go and move to a quieter place. Since I am sensitive to violence, vulgarity and noise, I don't usually go to many parties. I'm the type who will go to the gym, read a book, go for a walk, but not a club or a crowded restaurant. Of course, every once in a while I go to a bigger party with a friend, but then I need to calm down and regenerate after such an experience, and I think other introverts will understand me. In general, you can like Warsaw because it favors people who like a fast lifestyle, a fast pace of walking and not too much noise compared to other capitals. If you've been to Warsaw or live here, let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this content. Warm regards for you. Bye!